Hey guys, so I have here my JBL VIBE100tws truly wireless earbuds, and in this video I want to show you what to do when you have the problem that you can only listen with one earbud at the time, but for some reason you can't listen to them with both at the time. So you can get the left one to work and you can get the right one to work, but not both at the same time. So in this case what we need to do is we need to reconnect the two together, and this process is really quick and easy to do. We just need to follow certain steps. So we start out by disabling Bluetooth on all the devices that our earbuds are connected to. So in case you have a smartphone and or a laptop that these are connected to, then you want to disable Bluetooth on all of them. So that step is really important. Then next we're going to take both earbuds out of the charging case, and we're going to take a look at the LEDs that we have here on the side. So within a couple of seconds both earbuds should eventually be blinking in blue. That indicates that the pairing process, the Bluetooth pairing process, is enabled, and that is a good thing, so we want this. And then we are going to press the button on both earbuds 3 times, so in both earbuds at the same time. And what you're going to notice is that the blinking pattern is going to change for a little bit, so it's going to turn off for just like a second and kind of pulsate. So in that pulsating, that's the reconnecting process of the two earbuds. So when you see that, then you're all set and your earbuds will be reconnected again. And now all you have to do is enable Bluetooth on your smartphone again and you're ready to go.